I'm going to ask Perplexity AI how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Why am I doing this on Perplexity AI but not Google search? Okay, to me, what I see, in my opinion, the difference is on Google, Google will probably give you multiple different articles, but Perplexity will search the internet for multiple articles and put everything into one and spit out the result for you. And that's what I like about it because I don't want to read 50, 60 different articles just to get the answer that I want, right? So, once again, this is Perplexity AI. And as you can see here, we have a search bar. We could ask it whatever we want to ask it. And you can see here we have auto or pro, reasoning, uh, deep research, and the list goes on, right? You could leave it on auto if you want to. If you solving like something, if you asking it like a very complex question, like if I had like, for example, tell me how should I invest $1,000 and where should I invest it, then I would probably pick reasoning because it's gonna try to solve a few problems. Like I would put it here. You kind of get the point. But just to be basic, let's leave it on auto. And we're going to go ahead and ask the AI the question that we want, right? So, how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. First of all, Pinterest affiliate marketing, it's promoting affiliate links, promoting a product or service through affiliate links, uh do like a Pinterest pin with an affiliate links, basically with an affiliate link. It's basically you create a pin to promote a service or product and you add the affiliate link in the pin and it goes to the final destination or where you want it to go. That's what Pinterest affiliate marketing is. Why is it so popular? Why Pinterest affiliate marketing is so popular? Because Pinterest gets a lot of traffic. I know I'm saying too much without saying that. How much traffic, oh my god, I can't even write today or type. How much traffic does Pinterest get? I can't even type. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? I'm missing the E. How much traffic does Pinterest get every month? Let's double check. Uh, Pinterest get about 1.3 billion visit every month. So that is why, and it's easy to get traffic on Pinterest. So that's why we would want to do affiliate marketing. So, all right, let's go ahead and ask how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, right? So, of course, I know it was gonna say set up an account. Of course, you need an account. You need a business account, of course, because you need to look at your analytics, see what's working, what's not working. You need to optimize your profile, of course, like have a nice bio, nice professional picture. Make sure you know in what niche you want to do affiliate marketing in. Like if you're doing it in the health niche, if you're doing it in the baby niche, I don't know. Make sure your bio have these relevant keywords. The pins that you are going to create have these relevant keywords. And then the next step, once your account is ready to go, then you join some affiliate programs, right? Now, boom, you join some affiliate programs. Uh, it's time to make money. But I would not advise Amazon Associate because it's not paying much. There's other, if you want to, you could do it. I'm just telling you. There's multiple affiliate programs out there that pay way much more than Amazon. So you can do your research and or if you want to, you could leave in the comment section. You could leave me something in the comment section. Say, hey, I need the affiliate list, and I will do a video and show you about 183 affiliate programs that we put in an Excel sheet, and I will show you the link to. Just, just leave me something in the comment section. All right, so you can sign up for whatever affiliate programs you want before you begin. After you do that, it's time to create some high quality pins. And you could do that with Canva. You could do, let me see what the AI is saying because I'm going off the top of my head. Yeah, Canva and Adobe, yes, Photoshop, wherever you want to create them at. They have to be vertical, just like a Instagram reel type of ratio. But here, as you can see, it's a 2.3 ratio. But some there's different size there's different pin size. Pinterest, Facebook have pictures, Instagram have pictures, but Pinterest have pins. And the pins could be different sizes. I hope I'm making sense. It doesn't have to be one size. And last but not least, SEO is very big. You have to tell people what the pin is about. Like you can say, this is a brush and this is for men and such, or this is a headphone and this is black, and you have to describe your pin. You can't just, and then post consistently. I would say post like 5 to 7 pins a day with your affiliate links and track your performances, and the list goes on. It's basically saying disclose the affiliate status. Make sure you tell people, hey, this is an affiliate post, and that's it. So now let's ask the AI more questions. How much money can I make doing Pinterest affiliate marketing? Let's see what it's going to come up with. Okay. As you can see, most beginners earn less than $10,000 annually. With consistent effort, you can make anywhere from $10,000 to $880 annually. That's if you put in work. High earners are making anywhere from $80,000 to $1 million annually. Case studies. Some marketers claim to make over close to $5,000 per week, $20,000 per month by using effective strategies, such as niche targeting and creating visual appealing pins. Yes, your pin have to catch people's eyes, and you have to focus on one niche. You can't be all over the place. If you're doing tech, do tech. If you're doing baby products, do baby product. If you're doing food products, you get the point, right? And yeah, I don't know. I don't even use Google anymore. Everything that I need, I just come to Perplexity AI and just type in my question and get what I want. And the good thing is, you see these little numbers right here? These are the references. This is where Perplexity are picking up the articles. Like, for example, if you click this and you say, okay, how did the AI came up with this answer right here? Once you click this, it will take you to a website and say, this is where it got the information from. I hope I'm making sense, right? And that's what I like about it. Instead of having to read all these articles, it just paraphrase it for you. And that's what I like about it. You can see all these little reference. Like, I think this is, let me see. I think this is a YouTube video. Video is not available. Right here. You can see this is where it's getting this information from. And the list goes on. So I let Perplexity do the research for me and bring it back to me instead of me having to do the research myself. So I won't make this video any longer. Hopefully in the future I can create a detailed video on how to make money on Pinterest by showing you how to create the pins, by showing you how to upload the pins, by showing you which affiliates I think are the top. If you want that, you can leave me something in the comments. Let me know, hey, I would like you to do that type of video, and then I'll go ahead and do it. But right now I just wanted to show you Perplexity is one of my favorite. All right, that is it for this video.